Dear friends, 100 days ago, I was sworn in as your president. One of my first commitments was to be a listening president, governing by dialogue. In this spirit, let me report to you on just a few of the things we have achieved so far. Across all areas, it has been a time of action. On the economy, we passed a bold, responsible budget that cut huge swathes of waste, scaled back the Indigenization Act to open the economy to investment, facilitated greater use of mobile money to combat the cash crisis, and cut excise duty on petrol and small bank transfers. On corruption, the phase zero tolerance approach has been backed up by action. We instituted a 3-month amnesty to get back stolen funds, mandated all cabinet ministers to declare assets, created dedicated anti-corruption courts in all provinces, and clamped down on police roadblocks. Internationally, we have been working hard to build our international relations and bring in investment, and so far we have secured $3 billion of investment commitments from some of the biggest companies in the world. And in terms of human development, we have ensured the free health care for vulnerable groups while increasing the health and education budgets dramatically. We must, of course, be realistic and recognize that it takes more than 100 days to recover an economy. Real change takes time. I know there are those among you who are frustrated at the pace of change, and I understand that. But let me assure you that though we have had some major achievements, this is just the beginning. After 100 days of action, we are on the right path and will keep working to increase the pace of reform. Together, we will build a new, prosperous and democratic Zimbabwe for all.